Hey, awesome creators! Today, I've got an incredible combo for you that's about to take your content game to the next level. Canva's bulk create feature teamed up with ChatGPT. In just 1 minute, you'll become a pro at generating 100 TikTok, Shorts, and Reels designs effortlessly. Get ready to discover some game-changing Canva bulk. Create tips and tricks. Start by creating a new design in Canva, specifically tailored for TikTok, Shorts, or Reels. Pick a template to serve as your design background. Now let's leverage the creative power of ChatGPT. Ask for the perfect texts to complement your video content, copy them, and jump back into Canva. Head over to the apps, search for Bulk, and open the Bulk Create app. Choose Enter Data Manually. Clear the table, paste the text data from ChatGPT, name the column, let's call it Captions, and connect the data. With a swift click on Generate, you've just produced 100 engaging TikTok, Shorts, and Reels designs. And here's the magic, all in just 1 minute. Now, you can easily customize a few designs to add that extra flair. Imagine the time you'll save while boosting your content creation. If this quick and powerful tutorial has your creative juices flowing, don't forget to hit like, share with your fellow creators, and hit subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, and let's make those TikTok, Shorts, and Reels stand out together.